Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Super excited to show you guys what I got in this box for the month of October. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm about to show you guys what I got in my box. But before I show you guys what I got in my box, I just want to take the time out to introduce myself to anyone new on my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do a lot of unboxings on this channel. This is a makeup subscription box channel. I love makeup, hence the name, Aisha Loves Makeup. So that's why I was like, you know what? Let me do some makeup subscription boxes so I can see all the new things coming out and try a lot of new products for half the price. So if you guys are interested in getting makeup subscription boxes, then my channel probably would be the channel for you because I do a huge amount of that on this channel. Subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you really love me, give me some thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. So when you take the box off, this is the inside. It says relax, dream, enjoy. Then we get this beautiful booklet. It's very hefty. Like, there's a lot of pages in here. So we get a nice hefty little book. It's sealed with a Lookfantastic seal. When you open her up, this is the first view you get. Alrighty, let's see what I got. So there's one huge thing that's taking up so much space in this box. It says Glow and Relax. Soft hair wrap, super absorbent hair towel, shorter drying time. So it's just like a regular like hair towel. On the back, it tells you like how you can do things. So not super excited for this, but I got it. So let's see. I probably will give this away because I have so many of these from previous subscription boxes. It says, it tells you what's in your box on the inside. So that's the thing that I just got. It says, suitable for all hair types, this glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. It's the hair care accessory you didn't know you needed. Ideal for drying hair overnight, locking in hair mass, and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. Is it a price? Oh my gosh. $14.99, but that's in like Euro money. Because this is a UK subscription box. So I wouldn't be able to tell you the price difference, but if you guys want to know, that's how much it is in the Euro. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is Bubble Bath Earl Grey Bath Tea. Bath tea? After a long day, fill your tub with delicious sweet citrus aromas of this British tea containing 100 grams of tea-infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. Alrighty, so I can't really smell it through the thing, but that's interesting. So that's number 2. So far, nothing that's exciting me. The next thing I got is an overnight foot cream. Let's see, how much is this? See, so the prices I won't really know. It says $8 in Euro money, $8.10 in Euro money. It says work its magic with you'll sleep. This e-cooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptic scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. Vegan and dermatology tested. So I will try this out. Oh, it smells nice. I can smell the eucalyptus. Oh, wow, it's very minty. It is very... I could definitely smell the eucalyptics. Okay, so maybe I'll try this tonight. Oh, this is the one thing that I wanted to try that I'm super excited about this box. It's a By Terry gloss. So this is $14 in Euro money. It says this travel-friendly version of By Terry Signature Lip Balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly, wisp providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. So it says use alone or under products for a smooth application. Apply over lipstick for a glossy finish. It has like an interesting fragrance smell to it, but it's like a dome tip. And this is by the brand By Terry, which is not a very cheap brand. So very happy that I get to try this out. So that's the first makeup item that I have in my box. The next thing I got is... Oh, they gave me 2 foot creams. Is it the same thing? Okay, that must have been by an accident because I got 2 of the same thing. 2 foot creams. They must have been rushing when they packed their box because I got 2 of them. 2 of the same things. Hold on, let me try to... It's hard to do focus with. Okay, hold on. They're both the same thing. Alright, so that was... I've never got duplicates before. And other things I have, but not for this. So that's interesting. Alrighty. Let's see here. It says eye therapy under eye mask. It has collagen, green tea, vitamin A and E. This is by the brand Beauty Pro. Alrighty. The next thing I got is Balance Me. It's a smoothing serum. Our plant-based alternative to retinol improves radiance, texture, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles with the anti-pollution and blue light protection. Interesting, but not interesting to me to want to get in my box. That looks like that concludes everything in my box. This was not a very interesting box to me, to be honest with you. It says the Retreat Edition box. So I guess it's all like relaxation and stuff like that. But honestly, nothing that I really... I mean, I get it. Like the hair towel and like the stuff for the tub. Then you got your foot cream. Then you got your eye mask. And you got like your lip balm. And your face serum. So I get why it says relax, dream, and enjoy. But honestly, this box was eh. So I got, the cool thing is I got 2 night creams, foot creams. Because I believe I only was supposed to get 1. I got these 2 items that I'm not really thrilled about. The only thing that I'm excited about for this box is the By Terry gloss. This box retailed for $16. The box was a out of 10. I give it a 2.5. Just because I liked this, but that's really about it. It didn't do anything for me. The last box was a lot better, but this one was So another one bites the dust. It was a little bit of a disappointment. These boxes, if it's a beauty box, Lookfantastic beauty box. That's what it says right on here. It's a beauty box, right? Where's the beauty items? One item and that's it. We need more beauty items. Beauty items. So this one was a no-go. It was a no-go. But I'm being honest. I'm never fake with you guys. If I love it, I love it. If I don't, I don't. I'm going to be honest. I'm not a fake YouTuber. Some people say they love a box when they really don't because they probably got the box for free or they're probably sponsored by the brand. I'm giving my honest opinion. So please respect my opinions for when I speak about a box. Not to say that Lookfantastic is bad because I wouldn't have subscribed to them had I thought this was a bad box. I just didn't like this month. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. Sometimes I get a good BoxyCharm box, sometimes I get a bad one. Sometimes I get a good Ipsy box, sometimes I get a bad one. They're always not going to be good. That's just a risk you take when you do makeup subscription boxes, and I'm fine with that. And I'm fine with giving half of my box away to my subscribers. Speaking of that, I'm almost at 500 subscribers. When I do, I will be doing a giveaway, so look out for more details on that. And that's really about it. I love and appreciate everyone who's been subscribing to my new channel. And I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. I have some hauls. I've been doing some shopping, so I'm going to do some haul videos next and switch it up a little bit because I have like 3 different hauls. I have a Marshalls haul, an Ulta haul, and a Glam Light haul that I need to do. So I gotta get these done, and then I'll go back to my regular unboxing of my makeup subscription videos. So, you know, I try to switch it up a little bit for you guys on the channel. So, I'll see you guys soon. Love and miss you guys. Bye.